if you are looking for a strategy that has a very good win rate and it is very easy to follow, easy to use, and occur almost every day in the market, this video is the right video for you. Now, I will be showing you this strategy. It is very, very easy to use, very simple, high win rate, have everyday occurrence in the market. And to understand this strategy, you need to be able to know the market session. There are 3 market sessions in the market, 3 major market sessions. You have the Asian session, you have the London, and the New York session. Okay, so you need to understand these 3 market sessions, and the strategy is all about having the 3 sessions of the market. Like, this is the Asian, this is the London, and this is the New York session. What you need to do is, like, when the Asian session has occurred, all right, you have the London session, okay, and once the London session is about to complete, you just put like your oils in place. You just put like a flag, draw a flag, okay, draw a flag for the London session, and at about 9 a.m. New York time or 2 p.m. London time, this strategy you will play out, because there is often a breakout of the other side of the flag. Okay, there will be a black breakout on the other side of the flag, and this forms your trade. All right, this will form your trade. So this is the strategy that I want you to key into. Your stop loss will be somewhere around here, the other side of the flag. It occurs almost every day across different multiple pairs, and it has a good win rate. Your stop loss will be here. Your take profit will just be just about the same size of the first move. Okay, this strategy is very, very lovely strategy that I want you to backtest, and we're going to backtest it right here on the chart. So now, how do you trade it? Now we are on trading view, so you need to customize your chart. To customize your chart, you click here, which is for your indicators. Okay, so you're going to type trading sessions, this one. So you need to click on trading sessions. So when you click on trading sessions, you have this the indicator, trading session indicator will be applied to your chart. So you have it applied on your chart. So what are you going to do? So to trade this strategy, you can see that what this app does is that it will shade the various sessions on different color. Like, this is the Tokyo session, or rather, which is also referred to as the Asian session. This is the London session on yellow, and now this is the New York session, this one. So but our concentration would be on the London session. Okay, that is our concentration, should be on your focus, should be on the London session. So let's assume that the New York session is not yet in play. Okay, let's assume that let us cut off the New York session. Let's use the bar replay button to cut off the New York session here. So you cut off the New York session here. Okay, so this is like where you will be like on your day, like during the London session. Okay, you just have to just mark okay, you just mark this London. Okay, on this day, let's assume that you're on this day, the New York session has not formed, so you just mark this. Okay, so now you are ready to go for this particular day. Okay, you are ready to go. This is like a flag, so you are looking for some sort of breakout from here. Okay, so possibly a breakout and retest if possible. Not all the time you have a retest, but if you can get like a retest here, it would be lovely. Okay, so you just trade the market down. Your stop loss will be somewhere around here at the other side of the flag, and your take profit will just be about the same size of the first move. Okay, so, and sometimes the market you can just trade your stop loss because the market could continue to move. Okay, the market can continue to move. So I would like us to play the bar replay button so you can see how this will work. Okay, let's play. Okay, the market is, so you can see we are currently on the New York session. New York session just started, and you see it's moving. Now you want to pay attention to this timing. You see the timing, this is 9 a.m. New York time. Okay, 9 a.m. New York time, or which is equivalent of 2 p.m. London time. So this is very important. The timing is important when it comes to the forex market. So that is, if you miss that timing, you may not get in a good, you may not have a good entry at that point. Okay, so we just continue to play, and you see that you would have hit your take profit. So you can see that you would have hit your take profit right there. Okay, so you see how lovely this has worked out. This is like a sell version of this strategy. Okay, let us look for a buy version of it as well. Okay, this strategy may not occur, may not happen in all time. Like in this case now, you can see in this case now, it didn't. This was like if you put your flag here, okay, there was no breakout. There was no breakout here. Okay, there was no breakout, so there was no trade for this day on this pair, on GBP USD. So you can as well go to other pair. You could see a breakout for other pair, like this one now. There was no breakout here, because this is like 9 a.m. This is 9 a.m. New York time, and there was no breakout. If there was a breakout, possibly we could see a setup for that day. But let's move and see if we could see where else. Okay, you can see here as well. There was this. If you mark the London right there, okay, you see here there was a breakout, okay, at 9 a.m. There was a breakout here, and the market traded down, even far surpassing the first leg of the move. Okay, this is the sell scenario of this. Okay, let's keep moving on our chart. We're just trying to backtest the strategy to see the efficacy of this strategy. Here at 9 a.m. New York time, okay, 9 a.m. New York time here, from here, somewhere around here. So you can see that there was a flag that was broken. The flag was broken here. You see the flag was broken, and this was a trade. This was a trade for this. Okay, this was a trade for this particular day. Okay, that's a trade for that particular day. This strategy is so low because it is very easy to use. Not only is it easy to use, it also has a high win rate, and you have every day you have a setup in the market. Here as well, you can see here also this was a flag at 9 a.m. New York time, which is equivalent of the London time. Okay, most times even the market surpasses the first move from what we are seeing right now in several cases. Okay, so just far better than the regular flag pattern you see. Okay, here in this case, let's see if this works here. Okay, so in this case, this was the flag. The flag was broken, but the take profits, the market did not really move so much, because this was the movement. The market didn't move so much before it reversed. Okay, there was no high momentum on that day. In this case, the market didn't break the flag. Okay, you can see there was no breakout. There was no breakout here, so there was no trade on this day. Okay, that is for GBP USD. There could be trades on other pairs, so you just need to backtest it on multiple pairs. If you did not see a breakout on a particular pair, that is why I love trading multiple pairs. Okay, if there's no setup on a particular pair, you could go to another pair and you might see a setup. Okay, here there was a lovely setup. You can see how that the market broke the flag and traded right down, giving us a good take profit. Okay, this is like your stop loss here. This is your entry, and this is your TP here. Okay, so this setup, this strategy is so lovely. This one as well, you can see the flag and the exact time it happened is just as I said, 2 p.m. London time or 9 a.m. New York time. 9 a.m. New York time. That is when you just mark a flag and you get up. If you backtest this strategy, you will discover that this strategy is one of the best and easiest strategy you can trade in the market. One of the easiest strategy you can trade. It happens daily, every day. So you want to capitalize on trading this strategy because it makes so much sense, and it is very easy to use. It makes so much sense, and it is very, very easy to use. Okay, it's very easy to use. Like, let us see in this case. In this case, you have the London session, 9 a.m. New York time. Okay, the London session, there was a breakout right there, and a good run, a good take profit run. So this is a lovely strategy you don't want to miss. Please backtest this strategy and tell me how you see what you see on this strategy. Now, if you are yet to join my free Telegram community, please do not fail to join my free Telegram community. There are CFA settlement analysis that can help you to trade at your own discretion. All right, and also the link to that Telegram community is in the description box of this video. As well, if you want me to mentor you, take you by the hand and help you to become a profitable forex trader, I can help you do that. I have several people I'm training and mentoring and helping them to correct their deficiencies and help them to become profitable in their forex trading career. Contact me. My contact detail is in my free Telegram community, and the link to my free Telegram community is in the description box of this video. Okay, do we have more setups? Okay, now I think what we need to do right now, maybe we should look for another market instrument, because we are currently on GBP USD. Let us see if it occurs on different multiple on other assets. Okay, let's see if it occurs on other assets, because you would ask me let's look at this is Euro JPY. Let's see. Okay, for Euro JPY as well, it occurred as well. You can see this is the London flag, and this is how it occurred. It's also respected here. It did not work. Let me see here. Oh, it did work. There was a flag and it was broken here. Okay, and let's see the timing. Did it respect the same timing? Yeah, 9 a.m. New York time. You can see that it respected the timing. Let's see USD card. Okay, on USD card, let's see. This is 9 a.m. New York time, and let us see if okay, the flag was broken and the market did buy. Okay, here as well, flag was broken at 9 a.m. New York time and the market bought. Not only did the market break the flag, it also did a retest. You can see a retest, break and retest occurred right there. Okay, there was a break and retest happened right here that could really be a good entry point for entry confirmation as well. Okay, here also we have an entry on this day as well. So it also on Euro JPY, USD card, GBP USD, it's also happened. Okay, now let's look for another pair. Let's see. Let's see USD JPY. This is USD JPY. On USD JPY, okay, on this day it did not. There was no setup here. Okay, was there a setup? Yeah, there was a setup, but it did not really occur at 9 a.m. Let's see. There was no setup on this day. It didn't work there on USD JPY. Let's look at another day. USD JPY. No, it didn't occur. That is why you need to have multiple pairs. You are looking at it. You are looking to trade from multiple pairs. So if you don't have your setup on a pair, you move to another pair. Definitely you get a setup. So here, this is this. This is this. Okay, we can say it worked. Let's see another pair. Yes. So I'm just trying to backtest this so that we can have a basis. We can have a basis. Okay, here it worked as well. Just look for a flag on the London session. At the London session, look for a flag at the London session. So what we have discovered so far is that this strategy works on most of the pairs, though not on every day, but on most days, on most pairs, the strategy worked. I would recommend that you trade this strategy on the major currency pairs. I think the major currency pairs, it works more on the major currency pairs like GBP USD, AUD USD. Let us see Australia. Let's see Euro USD. Let's see Euro USD. Okay, this is Euro USD. Let us see. Okay, it worked here. Euro USD. Okay, let us see somewhere else. Euro USD. Yeah. So on the major pairs, major currency pairs, it works so well. on the major currency pairs. So I would recommend you trade them on the major currency pairs for optimum results. Okay, trade them on the major currency pairs for optimum results. So good. So this is the strategy. Please kindly backtest this strategy and tell me how you feel or what you feel about this strategy. And as I said, if you're here to join our free Telegram community, please kindly do so. The link is in the description box of this video. And if you want me to mentor you, take you by the hand and help you to become a profitable true forex trader, so that you can, I will release my secrets I don't share elsewhere. I tell my mentees and take you by the hand, help you to become profitable and better trader. Even if you have spent years trading forex market, do contact me. My contact detail is in our free Telegram community, and my free Telegram community link is in the description box of this video. So till I come your way next time with another fascinating video, interesting video, and educative content, do have a wonderful day ahead. Bye.